Hey guys, so this is going to be a very short video. I'm going to be unboxing my Joby Gorilla tripod. So I'm going to go ahead right now and open up this box. Got the box open, and now it's time to see. This is it. My Joby Gorrillapod Slr zoom and Ballhead. Okay. Let's just go ahead right now and open the box. So let's open this box. Open. Okay. So this is it. I got the one with the ball joint head, ballhead, and I thought it would have been much bigger, but it is quite fine. The size is quite fine. I was worried it would be a little bit longer than this, but it's quite fine. I can work with it. Alright, without the ball head, this would be the height of it. 16, almost the size of a 16-ounce bottle water. You can see the ball head as a what you call it again, a level on it. Okay, let's just look at it, see if there's any crack or anything. No crack. These white parts here are plastic. Yeah. The label is right here, Joby. Label is right here. I'm going to try and okay. Alright, I just realized something. To turn or remove the ball head, you press and turn this. So there's this little thing here, you press and turn it. Yeah. Alright, let me see if I can open it. Oh, so this loosen it so it can move.